Welcome to this unboxing and brief limited demonstration of the Black & Decker variable speed 2.5 amp oscillating multi-tool, model number BD200MTB. At the time of purchase on January 18th, 2023, the cost on Amazon was $66. Now this is a corded model, which I hope I don't end up regretting. I'm not a big fan of cords, but I'm also not a big fan of spending more money than I need to, and it seems like comparable cordless units cost at least twice as much after accounting for a battery and charger. Upon opening the box, I found the contents were packed into a light-duty zippered carrying bag. Inside the bag was another bag, plastic this time, containing some attachments and hardware, specifically an assortment of sanding sheets, 3 each at 80, 120, and 240 grit, a sanding platen, one dual-purpose cutting blade intended for use with either wood or metal, and an adapter kit to enable the use of accessories made by other manufacturers. Also included was the oscillating tool itself, of course, and an instruction manual. The insertion and removal of any compatible accessories is tool-free. To attach a blade, for example, squeeze the accessory clamping lever, insert the blade such that the pins of the oscillating tool can fully engage the holes or slots in the blade, and then release. Finally, there are 2 controls on the unit, an on-off switch on the top surface near the front, and a variable 6-speed control wheel at the back of the unit. This is what the tool sounds like at each speed. Although I have no doubt I'll find many applications for this oscillating multi-tool in the future, I purchased this unit with one primary task in mind: cutting nails. There are a number of locations in my house where the floor squeaks, and I'd like to add lumber for support. But in most of these spots, probably uncoincidentally, there are nails protruding from both the subfloor and joist that would interfere with this process. So, for the very brief demonstration portion of this video, I'll use the oscillating tool to nip some of these nails off. I did purchase some carbide blades for this job, as they're supposedly better suited for cutting metal and more durable. These Easy Arc blades received pretty decent reviews, and the price was reasonable, so I decided to give them a go. As a final note, the nails being cut have a diameter of about 0.135 inches, and the oscillating tool will be running at full speed. I won't really be exerting much in the way of force here, just letting the tool do the job. So that seemed to work pretty well. It took on average about 20 seconds per nail, and it might have gone faster if I had been better able to control the tool. Obviously, I haven't had her use this long enough to pass any comprehensive judgment, but so far so good.